Yo. So last time I uploaded a video saying that my last time playing using three fingers, and yes, I've actually upgraded my hub to a claw for fingers, baby. Yeah, we're going to try. Okay, I'll play a couple of practice matches using AI, and I think AI is lying to me, man. Like I keep killing them. Like I'm killing AI after enough. Yo, I don't even know which gun I picked. Alright. Yo, listen. I saw this girl on TikTok. I saw this girl on TikTok, bro. She was moving real quick, bro. I asked her what's up. How is she moving quick? She told me it's her sensitivity. So I think I'm gonna be changing that too. I'll be trying to switch up my sensitivity. Yo. Ah, damn, bro. Or also, yo, I'm a bit sick, and that's why the voice sounds a little bit funny.
Enemy down.
Bruh. For real, how am I something? Shit.
Tango down.
Nah, bro. Yeah.
Enemy down.
That's you, my nigga.
Target down.
Yo, I lagged, chat. I lagged. Bruh.
Lost the lead.
Alright. GG's my fault there. I'm going to deny it. Like, bro, my headache, bro, got a headache. Like, bro, just come on, kill him. Nah, I keep lagging, yo. What's happening?
Changing mag.
Nah, I can lose my first game, bro. I think I'm the fault. I'm, bruh. I think I'm the cause.
Tango down. Tango down. Target down. Taking the lead. Enemy down. Enemy contact. Recon ready for deployment. Target down. Down. Changing mag. Cover me. We've taken the lead.
Shit. I was trying some movements. It felt terribly, bro.
Enemy down. Target missile.
Damn. Bro, this can go on for long, bro. If I kill a nigga, get killed.
Target down.
GG's, baby.
Reloading. Cover me.
GG's. Yeah, that's our first win with 4 fingers, bro. Besides the training. Damn, I'm good. Damn, my eyes are burning. My head is aching. My body hurts. Damn. My back hurts too. Should I try snipe? No, I don't want to lose. Oh, what I was saying, this girl told me sensitivity is the key for her moving quick. Damn, brother. Our teammates can't chill. Finally.
Contact enemy.
Yo, I lag, bro. Nah, nigga. Bro. I swear, I shot the nigga, bro. I swear. Bro, why am I not loading up, bro?
Let's go. We've taken the lead.
You don't see what's happening, bro. Bro, y'all see what's happening?
Heads up. Enemy spotted. UAV online. We've taken the lead. Enemy inside.
Nah, bro, I don't even know if I've killed someone nowadays, bro. Oh, yeah. Bruh, for real, I don't even know if I've killed someone.
Tango down. Killer drone ready for deployment. Enemy in sight.
I'm dead. Alright, thanks. Bruh. I hope y'all can see it well, bro, because mine lagging, bro.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Enemy contact.
Nah.
Let's go. Target down.
Blood, what's happening?
Contact enemy.
Bro, what's happening?
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. UAV online.
Nah. I can't go on like this, bro.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Bro, I don't know if y'all can see it well, bro.
Enemy inside.
I don't know if y'all can see it well, but me, I'm lagging. Like I'm...
Enemy down.
Target inside. Tango down. There, keep it up. Yeah! Contact with enemy.
Damn, finally we won, bro. After lagging and I'm to the MVP, bro. MVP. Y'all, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.